I use web apps quite a lot, as probably many of you do as well. And when it crashes, as a good customer, I try my best to let their dev team know how it crashed and what happened. But with Kuoll, I don't need to anymore. From Minsk, Belarus, woo!
Hello guys, how's it going? Okay, and we created a development tool for business applications. And we guarantee that with Kuoll, you will never have a bug developers cannot reproduce. Software bugs are extremely difficult. Imagine a woman, a house shop owner, and she's submitting some form online. Everything is fine until suddenly an error appears, and the error prevents her from completing what she wanted to do. She calls to customer support, tries to explain her problem. Hours are passing, and there are emails going forth and back. There are screenshots, videos, and the problem is still not solved. And this is just the beginning, because then developer needs somehow to fix an issue. He does not understand why it's happened, he can't reproduce it, he can't analyze it, and he can't fix it. With Kuoll, we solved this problem. We record debuggable user sessions. So basically, we turn extremely hard customer support requests into simple bug fixes. We record user sessions and allow remote debugging into these sessions. So developer can see everything user saw and did with the web application and navigate through this timeline. But even more, and this is the most important thing, we can allow developer remote debugging tool into this session, and developer can see it, all the network requests, all the browser events, DOM mutations, and JavaScript execution flow. So basically, it's like a time machine that brings developer near to the end user and allows him to see what was going on and what went wrong. And as a result, we have customers who enjoy well-working product, who enjoy great service, companies making more money and saving more money, and developers, they actually develop, and they are honestly happy. We have simple free-tier monthly subscription model. Large companies can afford themselves to have on-site quality assurance teams, administrators teams, create virtual machines that they can create, send to developers and say oh, here is the environment where this issue is reproducible, but it is extremely expensive and inefficient. On the other hand, smaller companies are forced to use tools like Sentry and Bugsnag, and they are not really helpful in understanding why the problem occurred. They provide very little help called JavaScript stack trace. Right now, we approach market with articles, videos, conferences, direct sales, integrations, and we attracted 300 people into our development community, and we have 2 teams using this application in production, and one larger company we signed documents, and they are committed to implement this on-premise solution with them. We have great expertise and talent in our team. Me and Vlad have implemented technical details, and developers come to us after conferences and ask, guys, how you have implemented this? Please explain, because really this solution is really sophisticated. And we have great sales expertise, and really these 2 guys, Eugene and Alex, they are really good in talking to non-engineering humans. Yeah, I'm Dmitry from Kuoll, and I'm very glad to hear your questions. And if you want to join our journey to the great, massive success, come to us and talk. Thank you.